What's up everybody, thanks for checking out the channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to finish this corner here. So you've had a new kitchen installed, it looks great, you're stoked. You get these little gaps all along the cabinets here where the drywall meets the cabinet. And I'm going to show you how to fix that. Ready? Let's go. So the first thing you're going to want to do is just give it a quick wipe. Make sure there's no drywall dust or anything like that stuck on it. And then you're going to take some painter's tape, preferably one long piece. I'm just filming and showing you guys, or doing this at the same time, so it's a little bit tough, but you basically want to get just a hairline gap, something like that. It's not even a 1/16 of an inch wide, okay? So you want to go all the way from the bottom right to the top. So you got a fairly consistent gap here, and by gap I mean between the white and the green painter's tape. And this is just green painter's tape, nothing fancy. This isn't frog tape or anything like that. It's just regular plain Jane painter's tape. So the next step you're going to want to do is get some latex based caulking. This is the fast dry. You can use the regular stuff too. These are like $3-4 a tube at your local hardware store. So you want to cut the tip. Just a small little hole, nothing big. If you've got a big gap, then you're gonna wanna make the hole bigger, but you'd never go past this shoulder here. So, just FYI. So, next step, give it a quick bead, and then you're gonna finger tool it. That sounds dirty. So, just finger tool the caulking, and you get a nice clean line. Check it out. So you basically want to take off as much as you possibly can. So I can see the edge of the painter's tape here. You wouldn't want to have it where you can see a little bit of excess caulking here, but I can still see the edge of my painter's tape, so that's fine. But you wouldn't want to see that on the very edge of the painter's tape, and you'll see why in a sec. So as I mentioned, for bigger gaps, like this one's almost a 1/4 inch, we're going to open up the tip of the nozzle of the caulking gun, and we'll do the same thing. Now you've got a nice, clean, straight line. As usual, thanks for checking out the channel. Please smash that thumbs up, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.